Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Been that prank for a long time. What's up, Chicago? Yeah. First of all, let me thank Kiss FM for having me here for a second time. A lot of you that weren't here the last time I was here performing my first single, Oh Yeah, and now I'm about to do a couple songs off my album. It's called Count Out for you guys. Is that all right?
Yeah!
A little louder. I'm gonna have to hear y'all a little louder than that. Is that okay?
Yeah!
All right then, so I'm about to kick it off with this party song since it's so hot up in here. This one's called Oh Yeah. We're about to rock it. Me and my man about to get into it. Let me hear y'all say Oh Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sure. Get out of bed, look in the mirror. Oh yeah. Fresh kicks at the box. Oh yeah. Fitted cap to match. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't sit on the block, girl screaming. Oh yeah. Back to my fellas on the corner. Oh yeah. Keep up on bodega, tastes good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I've been too late, I miss my fit fresh out the oven. Can I take a bite cause you look so scrumptious, voluptuous, I'm loving it. Now you got me singing, oh yeah. And now I've been to a sleep and you're dreaming about me. Hoping you're dreaming about me. Hoping you're dreaming about me. You be looking so fly, girl. The way the wind be blowing through your hair. I wanna make you mine, girl. And when you wake up, I'll be standing there. I wanna be the one who's laying by your side at night. I'ma get you in my arms, girl, when you're falling deep. As long as you're dreaming. I wish that your love could fall down like rain. Ooh, cause everything you are is everything that a man could ever want, girl. Baby, I just hope you love me the same. I promise I won't make them all, girl. Hoping you're dreaming about me. Hoping you're dreaming about me. Baby, I'm hoping you're dreaming about me. Yeah. I like the things you like the things I like, yeah. So don't hesitate tonight. I like the things you like the things I do. So come on, let's fast forward into the future. Cause I can spend forever with you. Fast forward into a destiny. Cause there's so many, help me. If you push my buttons, we can go to the next scene. If you push my buttons, we can go to the next scene. If you push my buttons, we can go to the next scene. If you push my buttons, one more time. If you push my buttons, we can go to the next scene. If you push my buttons, we can go to the next scene. If you push my buttons, we can go to the next scene. If you push my buttons, FFWD. Thank you. Make sure you get that. It's on iTunes. Oh, and before I get off of here, I just want to thank Kiss again for having me out here a second time. It means a lot to me for you bringing me out back to Chicago. And thank you guys for sitting and listening. And make sure you follow me on twitter.com/Jayco, myspace.com/Jayco, all that good stuff. Thank you.